Welcome back, sir. All systems for gaming will be prepared in a few minutes. For now, feel free to grab a cup of coffee and have a good day.
The project titled Defense Security Management has been developed in Python. This program focuses on the basic operations in a country's defense system. It consists of the details regarding the crimes, security breaches, and the officers working under the organization are included in this project.
The program uses SQL connectivity to enable permanent storage of data. The details about the officers, undercover spies, and corrupted officials are stored in an SQL file. The project uses a stereo audio throughout the program. The project also includes speech recognition, which can access the voice and hence enhances more security.
Now we will move on to the source code as well as the output for this program. This is the source code for the Defense Security Management System project, and we have got exactly 614 lines of code. We have used 5 SQL tables, 8 functions as well as 5 modules in this project. The modules that were imported are MySQL connector, time, speech recognition, PyTTSX3 as well as stereo mask. Now let us get into the program. We have used the speech recognition as well as PyTTSX3 so that we can create an interaction between the user and the computer.
Welcome to the world of Defense Security Management. I am Sylvie, your assistant. Please say the username.
King.
Welcome. Please enter your passcode.
We have used Studio Mask so that the person who is entering the data will actually see it in the form of the asterisk symbols, so that no one else can actually get the password from him.
Access granted. Welcome back, Agent 007. Please select from the following options.
We have got 6 options right here, and we have also given a separate access ID for each of these programs so that only the authorized person can utilize these files. So we'll be going through these options one by one. So the first one is checking the details of the subordinates.
Would you like to access more information?
In order to access more information, we would have to enter the access ID which has been provided by this organization to a specified person. Like each person is having the access ID for him, so that he can only check the details of his own subordinates. He cannot check the details of the other subordinates. According to the access ID, the data has been divided.
Accessing more information. Enter the access ID. Access granted. Please wait. Connecting to server.
So here we get the details of the subordinates of this agent 007. Details can be visible in the SQL tables that has been used in this program. Next we have the second option, which is the files about the evidence collected. These are the details and it has been displayed using the SQL tables. And after each 2 options, the person will be asked to refill the password just in case to confirm the authority of the person who is accessing these details. So next we have got the third option, which was used to details about the undercover spies, and it has been displayed using the SQL tables. The fourth one was to alert the agents. You have 2 options. You can either choose message or you can choose the mail. In this example, I have used the mail for sending it. I have sent this to the anjaliadefense.com and we have encrypted the mail successfully and it has been sent. Next is the 5th option, which is to locate the agent so that you can direct them to the positions. We have sent this message to Lakshmi Dhruv because she is available right now, and this is the message which has been sent. Next is the 6th option, which is the corruption in the ruling government. It has also been displayed using the SQL tables. So here we are entering the password, and if we give it wrong, it will show an incorrect password.
Incorrect password. Please enter your passcode. Incorrect password. You have been denied access. Headquarters has been alerted. The files have been encrypted and under lockdown until further notice from the headquarters.
So that's the end of the program. Here I will be going for the exit option and
exiting the portal. See you soon.
Thank you and have a nice day.